Hey viewers, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to solve exercise 1.1 from rational number chapter. So if you are not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Okay. So let's solve the question number 1. Using appropriate properties, find the below value. Okay. So they have given a equation here. Okay. So we have to resolve it. So what we're gonna do here, see here. So minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. So using commutativity property, what it says, a plus b is equal to b plus a, right? So we can interchange the numbers. Let's see, like a plus b. Here what I'm doing, I'm just writing b plus a. In a similar manner, what we are going to do here, so we'll write 2 by 3 into 3 by 5. Okay. So here 3 by 5 into 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. See here, 3 by 5 and here 3 by 5 are common. Using our distributivity property, what it says, a of b plus c is equal to ab plus ac. So we can take a common, right? A is a common here. So here minus 3 by 5 is common. So let's take minus 3 by 5 out. Okay. Then what is the value that is remaining? 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. So here we have to take the LCM of 3 and 6. The LCM of 3 and 6 is, see here, 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 2 ones are. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6. The LCM is 6. So minus 3 by 5. Now the LCM is 6. 3 twos are 6, 2 twos are 4 plus 1 plus 5 by 2. So minus 3 by 5 into 5 by 6. 4 plus 1, 5. So 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2. So here we can cancel 5 and 5. 3 ones are. So 3 twos are. Minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. The denominator value is same. So 2 minus 1 plus 5. So plus 4 minus 1 plus 5 is plus 4, right? So 4 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 twos are. So the answer is 2. Okay. So here if you see, what is common? See here. 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is common. So using commutative, first what we gonna do here? First we have to write 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7. Okay. Next 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. Okay. Minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. Here we can solve directly. 3 ones are, 3 twos are. Okay. So the next here, what is common? 2 by 5 is common. So take that out. 2 by 5. So remaining is minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14. Correct? Minus 1 by 2 twos are 4. Right? So 2 by 5. 7 and 14. We have to take the LCM. So 7 and 14. 7 ones are, 7 twos are. So 2 ones are. So 7 into 2, 14 is a LCM. So 7 twos are 14. 3 twos are 6. What is the sign? Minus plus 1. Right? Minus 1 by 4. So 2 by 5 minus 5 divided by 14 minus 1 by 4. So here 5 and 5 gets cancelled. 2 ones are, 2 sevens are. So minus 1 by 7 minus 1 by 4. Again we have to take the LCM of 7 and 4. So what is the LCM of 7 and 4? So 4 ones are, 7 ones are. So 4 into 7, 28. 28, right? 7 4s are 28, 4 sevens are. So minus 4, see here, 1 4s are 4, minus 1 sevens are 7. So minus 4 minus 7, it becomes minus 11 by 28. Simple, right? Our question number 2 says we have to write the additive inverse, right? So additive inverse of the following. So the first one they are telling 2 by 8. Okay. So in additive inverse, what we have learned, what additive inverse rule says, for every rational number, there exists a additive inverse that is minus a. Okay. If we add a plus that additive inverse, the sum of both is equal to 0, right? So it's simple. We have to change this sign. All right. So 2 by 8. If we just change the sign, it is minus 2 by 8. The second one. Second one is minus 5 by 9. So minus 5 by 9, we have to change the sign. So minus will become plus. So 5 by 9. Third one, minus 6 by minus 5. Minus 6 by minus 5. So if you see here, minus minus gets cancelled. It's same as writing 6 by 5, right? So we have to change the sign. So plus will become minus. So minus 6 by 5. Next, the fourth one, 2 bar minus 9. So here, if we write 2 by minus 9, which is nothing but minus 2 by 9, right? So what we have to do? We have to change the sign. So minus will become plus 2 by 9. The fifth one is 19 by minus 6. So 19 by minus 6. So again minus same. 19 by 6. We have to change the sign. So it's plus 19 by 6. Okay. Simple, right? In additive inverse, you have to just change this sign. If it is plus, you are going to make it as minus, and vice versa. So the next question, Q3, is verify that minus of minus x is equal to plus x. Okay. Verify minus of minus x is equal to x. But what is the value that they have given? X is equal to, first one is 11 by 15. Okay, 11 by 15. So now see here, what we have to do? We have to take minus x. So minus x is equal to minus 11 by 15. So as per additive inverse, okay, additive inverse. So what we're going to do? X plus minus x is equal to 0, right? So we can write 11 by 15 plus, what is the value of minus x? It is minus 11 by 15 is equal to 0. Correct? We'll move this 11 by 15. Okay. So what is this? Minus 11 by 15 is minus x, right? So minus x. Okay. This is minus again x, right? So change this sign. Minus, I'm just multiplying with minus here. Okay. Minus. Here also multiply with minus. That will become plus. So the minus of minus x is equal to plus x, right? Simple, right? Hope you guys understood this. Okay, we'll move to next question. The next question is x is equal to minus 13 by 17. X is equal to minus 13 by 17. Okay, now what is the value of minus x? It is plus 13 by 17. So we can say additive inverse of 13 by 17 is minus 13 by 17. Why? Because if we add minus 13 by 17 plus of this value 13 by 17, the value will become 0. So we can say what? Minus of minus x is equal to x. Right? Similar way, how we have solved the previous question, right? Here also minus of minus x will become plus x. Okay. So we'll quickly move to the next question. Q4. So in Q4, find the multiplicative inverse of the following. So we have to find out multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. What multiplicative inverse tells us? So for every rational number, let's say x, there exists a multiplicative inverse, that is 1 by x, and product of both is equal to 1, right? That we have already learned. Okay, so let's solve this. So first one is minus 13. First one is minus 13. What we have to do? We have to, simple, right? Reciprocal we have to do. Minus 13 is minus 1 by 13. Second one, minus 13 by 19. Minus 13 by 19, which is nothing but, we have to take the reciprocal and we have to keep the sign as same, okay? Minus will retain minus, okay? 19 by 13. Third one. So the third one is 1 by 5. So 1 by 5, very simple. 5, reciprocal of 1 by 5 is 5. The fourth one is minus 5 by 8 into minus 3 by 7. So minus into minus plus, 5 3s are 15, 8 7s are 56. What we have to do? We have to do a reciprocal. So 56 by 15. So the fifth one, minus 1 into minus 2 by 5. So minus into minus plus, correct? 1 into 2 by 5 is 2 by 5. Reciprocal of 2 by 5 is 5 by 2. The next one is minus 1. The sixth one is minus 1. Minus 1, which is nothing but 1 by minus 1. 1 second. 1 by minus 1, which is nothing but minus 1. Okay, simple, right? Okay, the next question. Name the property under multiplication and used in each of the following. Okay, fine. So we have to tell the properties name here. Okay, Q5. The first one is minus 4 by 5 into 1 is equal to 1 into minus 4 by 5 is equal to minus 4 by 5. Okay. So if you see here, whatever multiplicative inverse tells, if we multiply any number, our multiplicative identity will tell, if we multiply any number with 1 or 1 with any number, we are going to get the same number, right? See here, minus 4 by 5 into 1, which is equal to 1 into minus 4 by, which is equal to minus 4 by 5. The same rule, right? So the property is, one is multiplicative, multiplicative identity. Okay, multiplicative identity. The next one. The next question is minus 13 by 17, minus 13 by 17 into minus 2 by 7, which is equal to minus 2 by 7 into minus 13 by 17. See here, what they have done. Let's say this as A, this as B. Okay, so A into B is equal to, here B value, right? So B into A. Which property tells like A into B is equal to B into A? Correct? It's commutative, right? So it's a commutative property. Okay, now we'll move to next question. Simple, right? Exercise 1.1 and 1.2 are very simple actually, right? The next one is minus 90 by 29 into 29 by minus 19 is equal to 1. See here, what they have done. Minus 19 by 29. The multiplicative inverse of this is nothing but 29 by minus 19, right? What it says, A into 1 by A is equal to 1, right? Correct? Which is nothing but multiplicative inverse, right? Okay. Simple, right? Okay. So the next question, Q6. Multiply, so Q6, multiply 6 by 13, okay, by the reciprocal of, okay, by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. So what we have to do? We have to multiply 6 by 13 with reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. So 6 by 13 into reciprocal of this is nothing but minus 16 by 7. Okay. Okay. Reciprocal of minus 16 by 7. Okay. So what is the value of this? So we have to multiply, right? So 6 into minus 16 is nothing but minus 6. 16 6 are 96 and 13 7 is 91. Right? Simple. Okay. 13 7 is 91. 16 6 are 96. So we have to write minus here. Okay. The next one. The next one is, let me just quickly write down the question. Okay. Tell what property allows you to compute 1 by 3 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3 is as, okay, 1 by 3 into 6 into 6 into 4 by 3. See here, let's consider 1 by 3 as A into this as B into 4 by 3 as C as what? See here, 1 by 3 as A into B into C, which is nothing but this is associativity, right? Associativity property. Right? What associative property tells? A into B into C as A into B into C. Okay. Okay, the next one. The next one is 8 by 9 is 8 by 9 the multiplicative inverse of, whether this is multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 1 by 8. Okay. So first we'll solve this. Okay. What is the value of minus 1 by 1 by 6? So minus 8 1 by 8 plus 1 9. So 9 by 8. Okay. What is the multiplicative inverse? What we have to do? We have to take the reciprocal. So reciprocal is minus 8 by 9. What multiplicative inverse tells? A into 1 by A is equal to 1. Right? Let's say A as 8 by 9. So 8 by 9 into 1 by, what is the value of this? Minus 8 by 9, right? Whether the value of this is 1, let's see. We'll solve 8 by 9, okay, into minus of 9 by 8. 8 get cancelled, 9 gets cancelled, minus, so minus 1. No, the value of the product of both should be 1, but the product here is minus 1. So it is not a multiplicative inverse. Okay, you can write the product of both is not equal to 1. Hence, it's not, hence 8 by 9 is not multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 8. Okay, the next. Is 0.3 is a multiplicative inverse of, is 0.3 is a multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3. Okay, so first we'll solve this. Okay, so 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10, 10 by 3. So 0.3, can we write it as 3 by 10? Yes. Decimal, see here, 3 by 10. Okay, so we have to, what we have to do? We have to multiply both. Hence 10 by 3 into 3 by 10. 10 10 gets cancelled, 3 3 gets cancelled. So value is 1. What we can say? 0.3 is a multiplicative inverse of 3 by 1 by 3. Okay. Okay, the next one. Write the rational number that doesn't have a reciprocal. Okay. The 10th question, first one, they are asking the reciprocal number that doesn't have a reciprocal. So, see, if you consider 1 that has a reciprocal, 1 minus 1, yes, minus 1. So, if you take a value 0, just think it has a reciprocal inverse or not. Okay, reciprocal. So, 0, can we write it as 1 by 0? Yes. So, what is the value of 1 by 0? It is infinite, means not defined, right? Not defined. So, what our rational number is? P bar, it should be in P bar Q form, and Q should not be equal to 0. So, we can say the answer is 0. Okay. The next question. The rational numbers that are equal in their reciprocals. Okay. Let's take 1. What is the reciprocal of 1? 1 by 1, which is equal to 1. Let's take minus 1. Minus 1 is 1 by minus 1, which is equal to minus 1. Is the value same? Yes. So the answer is 1 and minus 1. Simple, right? Okay. The next one, third one. The rational number that is equal to its negative. See here, it's negative, okay. Can we say 1 is equal to minus 1? No. But can we say plus 0 is equal to minus 0 is equal to 0? Yes. 0 means nothing, whether you add plus or minus. The value remains same, that is nothing but 0. Number is same. So we can say the answer is 0 for fourth. Sorry, for third. Okay. Okay. So the next Q11. What is a Q11 tells? Fill in the blanks. 0 has dash reciprocals. So 0 has dash reciprocals. No reciprocals. We have already solved in previous Q10 question, right? 0 has no reciprocals. Second one. The number dash and dash are their own reciprocals. Just now we have already seen 1 and minus 1 are their own reciprocals. Okay. In previous questions we have solved, right? The reciprocal of minus 5 is reciprocal. So what we have to do? We have to retain the sign 1 by 5. Okay. Next one. Reciprocal of 1 by x, where x is not equal to 0. Simple. 1 by x reciprocal is x. 1 by x reciprocal x, right? Yes. Okay. The fifth one. The product of two rational number is always a rational number. Rational number. We have already learned, right? In rational number chapter. If you want to see that, please, I have already given the link in the description. You can just refer that and you can watch a complete video so that you'll understand thoroughly. Okay. Okay. The next one. The reciprocal of a positive rational number is again a positive rational number. Positive rational number. Okay. I think we have already solved it. Q11. So there are totally 11 questions in exercise 1.1. We have already solved all those questions. So please do practice. Okay. Don't practice at last moment of the exam. So please do practice at home. Okay. Thanks for watching this. Please do subscribe my channel.